This is the position and the Earth along the orbit in the space. Here you can see the south above the central points. When running here, south is underneath the central point, and the north underneath. But running the shadow and this position and the sun will have given more light and the two south. But here in same central point, the sun will give more light to north. This change will give daytime and nighttime difference. Here, north will have longer daytime, but this position, north daytime will be shorter. If the Earth orbit like this, and here south and north will be same length of day and night. Because the center points in north and the south same. Why? There is the angle we call Earth tilt in the space. This is a gravity. So by the relationship Earth and the Sun, skin an image like this angle is called tilt. The reason unknown, but the good thing is there is a change day and night, longer or short, season change, summer and winter.